Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find Bitget wallet address. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, it's well interesting to know that Bitget ranks the largest platform for cryptocurrency copy trading and the third largest exchange for crypto derivatives. It provides a comprehensive range of crypto services, including crypto to crypto trading, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, copy trading, AI trading, bots, and launchpads. So now that we know what Bitget is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to find the Bitget wallet address. Now, from your homepage, which you're currently looking at, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. I'd like you to move your cursor to the second icon here where you have total asset values. Just move your cursor. Now you find deposit, you have withdraw, and you have transfer. I'd like you to click on the deposit icon there, and it's going to take you to the deposits window. It's coming right up. Coming right up. And will soon be in the window. Okay, so we're in here. So from here, you're going to have to select the coin. Select the coin that you want to get the wallet address for. Once you select your coin, go ahead and choose your network. And once you choose your network, you're going to find your wallet address. So over here, I'm going to have to select the coin. Okay, this is USDT, and I cannot change this. I cannot change this coin, and I cannot choose a network for it because I have not completed my KYC. So this is identity verification, say it's incomplete. And because it's incomplete, then I can't use this feature. But if you have not, in case you are like me, then you will need to click on this verify now button. And once you click on this verify now button, go ahead and go through the processes to verify your account. So after verifying your account, you come over to the deposit window. Now select the coin that you want to get a wallet address for. And in this choose a network option, go ahead and select the network. And once you do that, right here in this box, you're going to find your wallet address for this coin. And of course, you're going to get your QR code likewise. So this is pretty much where to find or how to find your Bitget wallet address. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.